Never fails. The minute we start the video, somebody's got to say something.
Okay, you want to start over again?
No, just go.
Anyway, we're at Kutztown, and it is fair week. You see in the background, they got the big fair going on here, all kinds of stuff here. They got rides, livestock exhibits, typical Pennsylvania fair, and it's fair week racing. Racing tonight here. They actually have races tomorrow night too. So back in the SpeedSTR, Heather drew us in 11, so we should be in the first group of timed warm-ups. And hopefully I can do better than I get in the car in gear. That's my goal, to get the car in gear without push. So excited to be here again. And we're actually back here next Sunday, a little over a week, with the 410 for the impossible. So get some laps in. Hopefully that helps me when we come back. Track looks pretty good. And yeah, it's fair week. I smell the food. Food smells good.
It does smell good.
I'm thinking about maybe we should just go get something to eat. What do you think, Heather?
I don't know if you should eat before you get in the car.
That's what's happening. Kutztown Wednesday night, Action Track, USA. Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life, and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew might not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, and parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
What are you doing there, riding struggle bus?
It's different than my car. Warm-up's over. I got it. First of all, I got it in gear without a push truck. Small panic attack. That didn't happen. Actually, I felt pretty good. So, track's a little wider than normal. Heather got dirty. Her leg's dirty.
What the heck?
Now I got to do your laundry again.
Got dirt on me. That's because there's like soupy dirt on the car.
You got nice legs.
Thanks. At least I'm tan. How you doing there?
Track's pretty wet compared to last week. I bicycled one time.
I saw it.
You see that? I don't know. I feel like the track's so wet getting in on both ends. The track's so wet getting in on both ends. It's like soft. You try and get in wide, it almost sucks the right rear end of the track. That's why I bicycle. So looked like the couple cars in front of me were in the same boat. So I want to finish good. Top 10. Hopefully the car is done. I think it will be.
Billy Dietrich. Dietrich coasting to a halt to the top of the banking. You see him over there at the exit of turn 2. Tough break for Billy. We've been keeping our eyes peeled up front. Boy, the battle among the top 5 or 6 has been a good one. But we would be remiss.
Motor expired. I think it happened in a big way, too.
Sucks because you didn't get the minute.
The hole in it?
Yeah. Was it that tight the whole way, or?
I think maybe a lap or two before it blew up. I felt like it hesitated a little bit. I don't know. Feature's over. So had to be a couple laps to go, I'd say, wasn't it? Probably less than 5 laps to
Yeah,
go.
it was like 26.
26. Motor just let go. Wasn't that stellar? I don't know. Maybe it was slowing down for a while. I'm really not sure. I had oil pressure, but they said there's a hole in number 3, and it blew up pretty big time. No warning, really. So, track was a lot heavier than last week. I was definitely struggling a little bit, but the car was freer. So, just didn't end up well. But man, I want to thank everybody that's here that chipped in. All the crew did a good job. Everybody worked hard, it's hot. So, good job to them. Thank everybody that put this on and see where we go from here. So, like, subscribe, ring the bell, comment below.